Hi, my name is Bhaskar. I head the strategy and planning part of B Market. I'm going to talk about the journey where it all started. About four and a half years ago, I think me and Shakti were discussing about the food industry and what is today's lifestyle of the kids and what they eat. Are they eating good? Are they eating proper food? Is the food good for their health? Good for the generation which going to come back again? Is what we were talking about. We wanted to do something to the society and we wanted to bring in good food into the market. We had researched a lot. We found out a lot of things which we ourselves doesn't know. The time what we spent on pandemic was awesome, and that helped us to bring the B Market to your doorsteps. I'll take it one by one. What went behind the product sourcing? We wanted to source it from farmers directly. When we started identifying farmers, we started talking to them. We wanted to bring as good as possible to your tables. We started sourcing materials and we started giving it to our known circle. We had about 40 people in our kitty who had tested this, tried this and give us a positive feedback. We have spent quite some of money on sampling itself. We had spent a lot of time on researching about the product. If I eat X product, what is the benefit to me? And we started testing the products as such. Testing, we are giving it to the lab. When we get given it to food technology people whom we know around, we started talking to people. We started talking to known circle in the farming industry. We started talking to the producers who produce farm products. We started to producers who do byproducts of a product. That's when we came up with a high number of products, which is about 146 if I'm not wrong, into our kitty when we launched in October 2020. Now we have products. What next? We need to build a team. We started talking to people, different journals and different verticals, people from different companies, people who we know, and started listing down what is required for an FMCG company to form different departments in this organization with warehouse manager, warehouse staffs, internally who's going to source the materials, who's sourcing it, the supply chain, the logistics team. If it is going to be an e-com business, who's going to deliver it, how it is going to be delivered, what is the technology behind delivery. We started that planning. We have products now, we have people now. What next? How are we going to take this to the consumers is what the plan next is. So we want to build a proper e-com website. With the internal resources what we had, we started building it completely. Once that is done, we then went into the planning of the launch itself. That is the marketing plan to complete thing. So when we came up with that plan, we had a lot of discussions happened. We spoke to too many people. We started talking to the known circle, and we came up with a plan and we executed that in a very, very positive manner. Now we are here on our first anniversary with a happy customer tail with us. We are happy that we made smile on your faces. That's what our plan is. That's what our action is.
Be the change. Be the change. Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change. Be the change.
Be the change.